Soft skills are the ability required and expected from persons for finding a suitable job, its maintenance and promotion. Soft skills are traits that make everyone as a good employee, such as etiquette, communication and listening, getting along with other people. Soft skills can be taught as people skills. These include good communication, interpersonal skills, leadership skills, problem solving, work ethics, time management, and teamwork. Soft skills, also called people skills or personal skills, are a set of essential competencies that can improve a person's ability to work with others and even influence how they perform their job. For organizations, teaching soft skills to employees can mean an improved working environment and better business results. But what exactly are soft skills and how do you develop soft skills in the workplace? In this soft skills training guide, we will cover everything you need to know from the basic definition of soft skills and hard skills to the benefits of soft skills training and soft skills training examples to help you better develop your team.
Yes, second one. Be ready. Okay.
I am Zakir, student of BCom first year. I would like to explain importance of soft skills to handle interpersonal relations, to take appropriate decisions, to communicate effectively, to have good impression and impact, to gain professional development, to self motivation, to improve degree of collaboration.
Yes, sir, Rajesh. Studying in BCom first year and tell about types of soft skills. First one, communication skills and time and stress management skills, decision making skills, leadership skills, and team management skills.
I am Miss Haba Fatima, BSc second year. I am tell about objects of soft skills, problem solving, critical thinking, better employee relation, leadership, adaptability, boost productivity, confidence, customer service.
I am Isha Sen from BSc BZC second year. Now I will talk about methodology of skills, soft skills methodology. Soft skills includes improving listening and speaking skills by listening to the radio and watching programs in English. Improve reading and writing skills by examining characterized artists, entertainment reviews, and the comics. Cultivates critical thinking skills by interacting with various new features. Clarifies value and develop real life decision making skills. Applies soft skills and life skills through classified ads, business and consumer news and receipt. Broadens the user's perspective with political cartoon, opinion, columns and editors. Soft skills play virtual roles in everyone's life, especially employed in workplaces.
Benefits.
I can tell about benefits of soft skills. Mostly effective communication, stronger leadership, improve problem solutions, enhance creativity and critical thinking, better teamwork effectively and productivity.
Results and discussion. Soft skills have a great impact on effective in workplaces in the process quite imperative for employees to use these resources. The employers can make use of soft skills in everyday life. Section of soft skills is as an effective tool to improve relationship between employees and employers. Soft skills covers all other skills which are very essential in our lives.
Impact of the study. Soft skills should be activity based. Soft skills should be used in every workplace for better prospects. Educational institutions should be provided with proper and effective soft skills for students. Community. Soft skills impact us and in different situations. Teachers should design soft skill activities and materials that promote active students' participation. Soft skills should be used not only for entertainment but also for enrichment.
Conclusion. This project is an introduction and benefits of soft skills to everyone in every walk of life. Those who wish to improve their English and soft skills. It is better to use soft skills for prospective results. The content is very useful for all kinds of people. It paves the way to get placements. As part of improving soft skills through media, it is far better to use WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Google and other applications. Thank you.